perfect spot for like a Lotte World Tower fireworks. Which station are we?
Which station?
Past the Jamsi Laru, and then we're on the Hangang Bridge. You can see Hangang here. So we only came out home like 10 o'clock, and now we arrived like 11:30ish. And then see here, not cloudy at all, not many people, but later you can enjoy the fireworks completely. So this will be your next advice for next year. Good luck. 5 minutes for the last day of 2025. Hope you can make it. If anyone on the train. God bless you guys. What time is it?
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes left. How you can get where you want to go. Celebrate the last minute with your family, the people you love. Okay guys, this Lotte World Tower. So normally people will get off at this station, Jamsi Yok. And if you go over this another station and then over the bridge, if you get off at this, what is it called, Brown station already. Then you can get the best view, trust me. 55, 54, 53, 52, 1, 50, 49, 48.
자리 진짜 잘 그렸다. 야 빨리 사진 찍자. 해피 뉴 이어. 야야. 해피 뉴 이어.
I'm coming. Right away. Any empty ship. This is a good strategy. Oh, still coming, still coming.